Hey everyone, my name is Suyash and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to share that we will be starting a new playlist which is prototype to production. So in the previous playlist, we focused on building AI agents with Google ADK and getting a working prototype in place, right? So we talked about the different concepts that are there in Google ADK and then we implemented those concepts to create agents. So if you have not checked out our playlist, which has all these concepts, do check them out and we will keep updating this playlist. But I believe it's a good point now to move from just concepts, prototype concepts to production concepts. And that is what this playlist is about. So this video is an introduction of the playlist. We will essentially look at what production ready actually means and what we will be covering as part of this playlist. Production ready does not just mean an agent, a working agent or an agent file, right? It means the full system around the agent. The agent is still the core, but the surrounding layers are what makes the system production ready. The agent is the core logic. It includes the instructions, the tools, the models, the orchestration, and so on. Then there is runtime, which shows how the system is actually going to serve requests and run the agent. Then we have config, where we manage the environment variables, the secrets, the settings. Then there are tests, where we validate the changes before they go out. Then deployment, right? This is the path from local code to a real running service in the cloud. Then there is infrastructure. So this is the cloud and platform layer that supports the application. Then there is CI/CD, which is the automation for checks, builds, and releases. And finally, there is observability, where we monitor, debug, and operate the system in production. Now that we have a rough idea of what production layers are, the next step is to look at the foundation we will use for this series. So for this series to be effective and focused, we are keeping the agent basic. We are going to use a basic agent which has simple agent logic. And then we will be using the agent starter pack as the foundation. So if you have not heard of agent starter pack before, it is an open source Python package from Google Cloud that helps us set up production ready agent projects, AI agent projects. It gives us strong project foundation with built-in support for deployment, CI/CD, evaluation, observability, and more, so that we can focus on the agent logic and the system itself. So let's look at what are the different components or layers we will be looking at as part of this playlist. So this is a roadmap for the playlist. This roadmap shows how we build the production system layer by layer. So first we will start by generating the project with agent starter pack. Then we will understand the agent code and how to make it work locally. Then we will look at the makefile to understand the developer workflow. Then we will look at deployment, where we will move from local development to a real environment. Then we will look at Terraform, where we will unpack the infrastructure code behind that deployment. We'll also look at CI/CD, where we'll add release and validation workflows that make changes safer. And finally, we will look at observability, where we will cover monitoring, debugging, and maintenance. So by the end, the goal is a production ready system and not just a working demo, so that we can start building real world production ready AI applications. So stay tuned for the next set of videos. Thank you.